Good morning, friends. I am come with a lecture on mathematics, class first NCERT book. This is the chapter 1 I take from NCERT book, mathematics. The title of the chapter is Shapes and Space. Shapes and Space. First, we emphasis on inside and outside. Friends, there are objects. There are objects such as bed. Bed is inside your house, inside the house, and bus outside the house. You can relate more terms like food. Food is inside as well as food is outside as well. You are eating so much street food which is outside as well. What here in this lecture, in this lesson, it tell there is a Arab guy who lives in Middle East. A Arab guy who lives in Middle East. Middle East is the area between Europe and Asia. These are two continents. We discuss it later. There is Arab guy and his camel. Most of the part in Middle East area is desert area. That why there is so many camel, because it's a natural habitat for camel. Uh, the Arab and a camel live in a desert night. And a camel requests to put his head inside this tent. Guys, the tent look like this. Tent is look like this. Tent is look like this. There is a window as well. Friends, you can make this tent or a replica of a tent by using a bed sheet. By bed sheet, try to make this tent like structure. Okay, there is a cold night and the camel requests to put his head inside, okay, a neck inside, and the Arab guy is very polite and very kind. He allowed to the neck inside, to make the camel neck inside, and after certain time the camel asked for to put his front leg inside. uh, Arab guy tell, okay, you can put your front leg inside. Then after few time, camel ask, can I come inside? It's too cold outside. And the Arab guy, no, the tent is too small for both of us. And the camel said, so I coming inside and you go outside. And the Arab guy, who is very kind and polite, spend his night in the cold desert area. In generally, desert desert nights are very cold. Desert nights are cold and days are hot. Okay, generally. Similarly, the lesson emphasis on bigger and smaller. What is bigger and what is smaller? You can see this hippopotamus is much bigger than this puppy. Okay, then tell me which leaf is bigger and which leaf is smaller. This looks like banana leaves. It is bigger. This looks like a flower leaf or any normal kind of small leaf. This is smaller. Here is squirrel and a cow. The cow is bigger and the squirrel is smaller. I think you easily relate. This tire is bigger and this tire is smaller. Okay. Here you have to take the smallest tree between these three. This is the smallest. Okay. This is the middle one. This is the biggest. Here you have to take the biggest animal. Which one is the biggest animal? Yeah, elephant is the biggest one. Now here you have to take the smallest fruit. This mango or this what we call watermelon or this cherry. I think this cherry is smaller one, smallest one. Take the biggest bubble. Which one is the? This one is not bigger. This one is not bigger. This one is the biggest one. Okay. Similarly, the lesson also emphasizes on top to bottom. Which one is on top? Like you see, this bird is on top of the tree, but this cat is on the bottom of the tree. This guy, this guy on top of the this slippery kind of jhula. Okay, and this guy is on bottom after sleeping from this jhula, and that guy is from bottom trying to reach onto top. Okay, here also which one is on top? This one. Which one is on top? This one. Here ask which one is at the bottom of his state. This one is at the bottom. Okay, the lesson also emphasizes on nearer and farther. Nearer and farther, guys. You can also relate with your friend, your colleague, or your uncle aunt who lives nearer to you, or your neighbor. Your neighbor's school is nearer or farther from you. You can relate that also. Here, this house, which bird is nearer? Yes, this bird is nearer to this house. This bird is far. Okay. Here you have to ask, take the cat farther from the tree. This one is mouse. This one is nearer. That cat is farther from the tree. Here are some more examples of nearest and farthest. This one is nearest to this swing jhula, and that girl is farthest from this singular. This girl is in middle. Neither farthest nor nearest is in middle between these two. Okay. Here you have to take the farthest puppy from the tree. This one is farthest. This one is the nearest. Okay. Here you have to take the tree nearest to the bird. You have to take the tree nearest to the bird. This tree is nearest to the bird, and this tree is the farthest. Okay. The lesson also emphasizes on, under, above, below. Like this mouse is below the table, under the table. The cat is on the table, and we all are below this fan, and the fan is above the table. Okay. Okay, man. That's it. I hope you enjoy the lesson. We came up with the next lesson. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much.